I just want to say, do not get offended by my messages that I post here. My messages are not to trigger you. At the end of the day, life is about sticking to your truth. What is true to you, what resonates with you, with your soul. So take if what I'm saying to you, take what resonates to you, what you feel is truth to you. If it does not feel like truth, leave it. Do not take it. Do not allow yourself to be triggered by information that is not true to you. These messages, like I've said in my other previous videos that I've recorded before, that these are letters to my unborn children, because I will raise my children the way that I want to raise my children. So these could just be simply letters to my unborn children. Do not let information that does not speak to your truth take you out of your own path. We are all different individuals here on this path, on this earth. Our journeys are different. We are different souls. The dreams that I see at night are not the same dreams that you see at night. The dreams that you see at night are not the same dreams that I see at night. Our souls are unique. We are all different and unique in our own path. So take what resonates with you. Leave what does not. That is very, very important. That is why you must have a high level of discernment to know what is yours and what is not, because we are all different and all unique. Again, these could just be letters to my unborn children. All right.